Namaskaram everyone. I hope all of you are doing healthy, safe and great wherever you are. Today I'll be sharing a Pranic recipe called as tomato sweet chutney. I have derived this recipe from ISKCON's Higher Taste, slightly modified the recipe to suit our family's taste. It's a totally Pranic recipe. It goes very well with chapati or bread and also as a side dish with a North Indian thali. Now let's get into the video and see how to make this tomato sweet chutney.
For tomato sweet chutney, we have cut 250 grams of tomatoes into fine pieces. Use juicy ripe tomatoes for a very tasty chutney. We need 2 bay leaves, a teaspoon of chili powder, some cashew nuts, raisins, sugar is about 3 tablespoons, salt, turmeric and a little bit of oil. So these are the ingredients we need for making tomato sweet chutney. We also need a teaspoon of black cumin seeds. Now let's heat a tablespoon of oil, add 2 bay leaves in a skillet. Once the oil is hot enough, let's add the black cumin seeds. Now let's add the raisins and the cashew nuts. They have to fry well. Once the raisins and cashew nuts are fried well, let's add the tomatoes. The tomatoes have to cook well till they turn mushy. Let's add turmeric and the required amount of salt. This chutney will taste sweet and sour. It's a very tasty recipe. Please do try it. Now let's add the chili powder and cover the tomatoes and cook it in medium flame for 10 minutes till the tomatoes turn mushy. Now let's check on the tomatoes. They still need to cook a little more before we add the sugar.
I have used white sugar in today's recipe. You can also replace the white sugar with the natural organic jaggery. Either way, it will come out very tasty.
It's around 10 minutes since the tomatoes are cooking in medium flame. Let's add the cup of sugar. Once you add the sugar, the tomatoes will become watery. Let's cook it for another 5 minutes. If it is too thick, you can adjust it by adding a little bit of water. Let's mash the tomatoes. Check if the tomatoes are cooked well. Now the chutney is almost ready. This chutney tastes very well with parathas.
Did you like the video? I hope you will try out this recipe and let me know. I'll see you soon with another Pranic recipe. Until then, my namaskarams to all of you.